Come and see why Aruba is the perfect happy place for a family vacation. Start your family day trip from the high-rise hotels at Palm Beach and take a short stroll to the butterfly farm with butterfly species from all over the world. Next stop, a quick ferry ride to Palm Island, Aruba's island water park. Slides, banana boat rides, snorkeling, and more. A whole lot of fun for the whole family. Then take a family adventure to Aruba's rugged Arikok National Park. Journey into the limestone sea caves, where you can still see cave drawings made by Aruba's original inhabitants. End the perfect day at one of Aruba's most famous family spots, Baby Beach, a calm, shallow lagoon where kids can learn how to snorkel just steps from the sand. Aruba is one happy island for one happy family.